Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I am here with Kenith. Kenith is here almost 4 years from his transplant with us. And I wanted to do this video because people always ask about how long this stuff lasts for, and the longevity of it. And this is a perfect example of a guy that had it done 4 years ago. I'll put his before pictures up there. It's unbelievable the difference it made in his life. Even in his life, he feels so much better about his hair. His overall just appearance is changed dramatically with this hair. But how has it been holding up the last 4 years, man? And tell us about your life with hair.
Absolutely. It has been holding up, as you can see. I always keep a fresh fade now.
Yeah.
It's been holding up excellent. And I'm not just saying this. As you can see, this is me with a light fade, right?
Yep.
No scar.
Yep.
Right? This is the back.
Yep. And to be clear, that little line is something you put in on the right side. See that little line on the right? That's a little edge line you put in. Right.
Yeah,
that's not the scar.
This is something just for style.
That's right.
You want to look younger.
That's right.
Absolutely.
Awesome. And tell us about, it's just part of your life now. I mean, you wake up, you don't have to worry about it as much. Confidence is there now with the hair.
Absolutely. I always get complimented on how young I look, right? You actually gave me 10 years back, which is huge. Now I have to fight the ladies off.
Awesome. And so you say, the scar in the back doesn't bother you very much at all in terms of hairstyles, that kind of thing. Yeah.
Truth be told, I actually forgot I had the scar.
Okay.
And I would say exactly what you said. When I first got the procedure, yes, it was swollen for I would say, a few months. And then as the swelling dissipated, then I didn't have any issues.
Okay.
Truth be told, after surgery, I only took ibuprofen, and that's it.
Yep. Perfect. Are you on any preventative medications for your hair, for hair loss, finasteride, minoxidil, nothing? So this is a perfect, right, and so that's a perfect example. Again, it's not required to take any medicines or treatments or anything for this stuff to stick around. It's permanent no matter what. So let's model. Go ahead.
Absolutely. As you can see, yes. I don't know.
And you're getting some waves.
You didn't give me the waves.
Let me have you model your hair for a second. Let's have you just put your chin down for a second. Yep, there we go. Hold it right there. Excellent. And then turn to one side, left or right, and just kind of hold it to the side. Bring it up like a little more. Like, see how I am? Maybe just straight. There we go.
Okay, I got it.
I want to put it, there we go. And then go to one side. There we go. Hold it right there. Again, that's a line that he did. That's not the scar, just to be clear. And let's do the other side, same way.
Okay.
Wow. Holy smokes, man. This has got to be one of the best things you ever did, man.
It is by far.
Yeah.
I'm 41, right? And I kid you not. People think I'm at least 33, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you changed the trajectory of my life.
Amazing,
and man. I appreciate it because, my marriage was rocky at the time. Now, by me getting this, I'm divorced now, so I'm super confident. I don't have to settle for less.
Right.
I look 10 years younger.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm ready.
I'm
ready for the market.
You got that edge, man. If anyone's interested, please comment below.
Absolutely. And my daughter, before the procedure, she used to always call me five head.
Oh, man.
Daughter. So now my alignment was way back here, if you can recall.
Right.
Now look at it.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
I mean, it was a miracle what you did. And then the surgery, it took about, 7.5 hours?
Yeah.
I had a big TV in front of me.
Yeah.
And I could, your nurses did excellent. You did excellent.
Good.
I am thrilled with the results.
Amazing.
If I can do it all over again, absolutely.
Awesome.
I will pay double. I didn't want to tell
Don't
you
say that. Don't say that. Kenith, thank you so much for doing this and really just being an ambassador, letting people know we're legit. And 4 years later, I couldn't be happier with how you look, man. And congratulate. That'll always be there for the rest of your life, just so you know. No products, no treatments of any kind other than the 1 day of hair transplant and the recovery, of course. But thanks again, and enjoy your hair, man.
Absolutely, and I will. And I do want to say this. You definitely had excellent bedside manners. I'm going to keep highlighting that. Every time I had a question, concern, you was always available by text. If I need a phone conversation, you was always available.
That's right.
So no, I appreciate you.
Yeah.
You made it look easy.
It's the way
I was saying you remind me of a Michelangelo, but with the surgical tools.
I'll take that. That's quite a compliment. Thank you. But and that goes for all of our doctors. We pride ourselves in our customer service, our availability. There's an issue, a problem. You have your phone number. You call it. You text it. You get an answer in 5 minutes, less. So
absolutely.
So congratulations, man, and I appreciate all this.
In my book, you're gonna always be the man.
Thanks, my man. Thanks, Kenith.
You're a friend. I appreciate it.
You got it, man.
And thank you.
Absolutely. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.